equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your Dell P130G. This task requires some technical skills, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by powering off your device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the P130G. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. A clean interior can help improve the performance of your device. Now, locate the LCD cover. It is usually secured with additional screws. Remove these screws carefully and keep them in your container. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you feel unsure about proceeding. After removing the screws, gently lift the LCD cover away from the device. Be mindful of any cables that may be attached to the cover. If there are any, disconnect them carefully to avoid damage. Once the old LCD cover is removed, take your new cover and align it with the device. If you need assistance sourcing a replacement, we can help with that too. After aligning, reconnect any cables that were previously attached, ensuring they are secure. Now, replace the screws that hold the LCD cover in place. Tighten them gently, ensuring not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the cover. With the LCD cover secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, power on your Dell P130G to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. If you would like a quote before repair, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to help you with all your tech needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.